Welcome to the first section of our guide, Reddit, an untapped SEO goldmine. Reddit, with its millions of daily active users, is an often overlooked goldmine for SEO. By tapping into specific subreddits relevant to your niche, you can connect directly with a highly engaged audience. Traditional SEO strategies often fall short on Reddit, where authenticity and community engagement reign supreme. Simply spamming links will get you nowhere fast. Instead, success on Reddit hinges on providing valuable content that resonates with your target audience. The beauty of Reddit lies in its diverse communities, known as subreddits, dedicated to virtually every topic imaginable. By identifying subreddits aligned with your industry or niche, you can laser focus your SEO efforts. By consistently providing valuable content, engaging authentically, and nurturing relationships, you can leverage Reddit to drive organic traffic, boost brand awareness, and ultimately improve your website's search engine rankings. Moving on to Section 2, Building your brand's presence on Reddit. Establishing a solid brand presence on Reddit requires a nuanced approach, focusing on building trust and credibility within your target communities. Start by creating a dedicated Reddit account that aligns with your brand identity. Use a recognizable username and profile picture to maintain consistency with your other online platforms. Once you've created your account, spend time familiarizing yourself with the platform's etiquette and community guidelines. Active participation is key to building a strong brand presence on Reddit. Engage in relevant discussions, provide thoughtful comments, and answer questions related to your expertise. By consistently providing value to the community, you'll establish yourself as a trustworthy source of information. By becoming a respected member of the community, you'll organically increase brand visibility and drive traffic to your website. Now, let's dive into Section 3, Navigating the Waters. Understanding your Reddit audience. Understanding your Reddit audience is key to creating engaging content. Research the subreddits you're targeting. Analyze top-performing content and community sentiment. Focus on niche subreddit discussions. Identify common questions and challenges. Engage in conversations to inform your strategy. Tailor your content to the community. This approach boosts engagement and drives traffic. Finally, we reach Section 4, Backlinks from Reddit. It's possible. While Reddit is not typically known for its backlink potential, it's certainly possible to acquire valuable links from the platform with the right approach. Focus on organic link building through high-quality content and genuine community engagement. Instead of directly linking to your website, provide value through informative comments, insightful answers, and engaging discussions. Participate in Ask Me Anything, AMA sessions, within your niche subreddits. AMAs showcase your expertise and establish you as a thought leader. Naturally incorporate links to resources on your website when relevant. Create high-quality original content that attracts backlinks. Share this content on relevant subreddits and engage in discussions around it. Increase the likelihood of users finding it valuable and linking to it. Build authentic relationships and consistently deliver high-quality content. Organically acquire valuable backlinks from Reddit and boost your website's SEO. In the bustling world of Reddit, your post title is your first and often only chance to grab a user's attention. A compelling title can mean the difference between your post getting lost in the abyss or skyrocketing to the front page. Think of your title as a headline that needs to entice users to click, read, and engage with your content. Start by identifying the key benefit or most intriguing aspect of your post. Use strong verbs, numbers, and questions to pique curiosity and encourage clicks. Remember that Reddit users are constantly bombarded with information, so keeping your title short and to the point is crucial. Avoid using clickbait tactics or misleading titles, as this will only serve to alienate your audience and damage your credibility. Incorporate relevant keywords into your title to improve discoverability. Focus on crafting a natural-sounding title that incorporates relevant keywords in a way that feels organic and engaging. Once you've crafted a click-worthy title, it's time to optimize the rest of your Reddit post for maximum impact. This involves carefully considering the format, length, and overall readability of your content. Break up your text into shorter paragraphs to improve readability. Use bullet points, numbered lists, and headings to further structure your post and make it easier to scan. Incorporate visuals such as images, GIFs, and videos to enhance your post and capture attention. Visual content is highly engaging and can help break up large blocks of text, making your post more visually appealing. Choose visuals that are relevant to your content and add value to the overall message you're trying to convey. When including links in your post, do so sparingly and strategically. Focus on providing value through your content and only include links when they genuinely enhance the user's experience. Engaging with the Reddit community is not a one-way street. It's about building relationships, fostering conversations, and actively participating in the platform's ecosystem. Think of it as attending a networking event. You wouldn't just talk about yourself the entire time, would you? The same principle applies to Reddit. Respond to comments and questions thoughtfully and promptly. Show genuine interest in what others have to say, even if it's critical feedback. Address concerns, provide clarifications, and engage in constructive dialogue. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to build relationships and establish your brand as a valuable member of the community. Don't be afraid to ask questions yourself. By asking questions, you not only gather valuable insights from the community, but also demonstrate your willingness to learn and engage in meaningful conversations. By becoming an active member of the communities you're targeting, you'll naturally increase your brand's visibility and build relationships that can lead to long-term success on the platform. In the realm of Reddit SEO, content remains king. However, the emphasis is on quality over quantity. Reddit users are discerning and quick to dismiss low-effort or spammy content. To truly resonate with your target audience, focus on creating high-quality, informative, and engaging content that provides genuine value. Your content should aim to educate, entertain, or inspire your target audience. Tailor your content to the specific subreddit you're posting to. Consider using different content formats to keep your audience engaged. Infographics, for example, are a great way to present complex information in an easily digestible format. Measuring the success of your Reddit SEO efforts is crucial to understanding what's working, what's not, and how to optimize your strategy for better results. While Reddit doesn't offer the same robust analytics as other social media platforms, there are still key metrics you can track to gauge your progress. One important metric is post engagement, which includes upvotes, downvotes, comments, and shares. Tracking these metrics over time can provide insights into the type of content that resonates with your target audience, the optimal posting times, and the overall effectiveness of your engagement strategies. Another valuable metric is website traffic referral data. Most website analytics platforms allow you to track traffic sources, including Reddit. By analyzing this data, you can determine how much traffic is being driven to your website from Reddit, which specific posts are performing well, and the overall impact of your Reddit SEO efforts on your website's visibility. Monitor your brand mentions and sentiment on Reddit. While Reddit can be a powerful platform for SEO and brand building, it's important to integrate it into your broader social media strategy for maximum impact. Think of Reddit as one piece of the puzzle, working in synergy with your other social media channels to create a cohesive online presence. Cross-promote your Reddit content on other platforms, such as Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Share links to your Reddit posts with a brief summary to entice your followers to engage further. This can help drive traffic to your Reddit content and introduce your brand to a wider audience. Use Reddit to gather content ideas and feedback for your other social media channels. Pay attention to the discussions happening within your niche subreddits. Use this information to inform your content strategy for other platforms, ensuring that you're addressing the interests and concerns of your target audience across all channels. Mastering Reddit SEO is not a quick fix. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience, consistency, and a genuine commitment to engaging with the platform's unique community. Avoid approaching Reddit with a transactional mindset, solely focused on driving traffic or acquiring backlinks. Instead, embrace the platform's culture of authenticity, community engagement, and valuable content. Remember, building a strong presence on Reddit takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Focus on consistently providing value through high-quality content, engaging authentically with other users, and nurturing relationships within your niche communities. Over time, your efforts will compound, leading to increased brand visibility, a loyal following, and ultimately, a positive impact on your website's SEO. By approaching Reddit SEO as a marathon, not a sprint, and by embracing the platform's unique dynamics, you can unlock its immense potential for driving organic traffic, building brand awareness, and establishing your brand as a thought leader in your industry.